Good morning, children. Today we are learning our worksheet number 2. As we learn the passage in our previous class, today we are going to write the answers. Answer these questions. First one. When did Odysseus and his men stop by the land of lotus eaters? Answer. While returning home after the Battle of Troy, the Greek hero Odysseus and his men stopped by the land of the lotus eaters. This is first one. Now second one. What happened when Odysseus and his men tried to find out more about the new land? The lotus eaters offered them their fruit. Odysseus was clever and refused the fruit, but his friends ate eagerly and soon began to feel sleepy. Full stop. Third one now. What effect did the lotus fruit have on A. the people of the island? This fruit had a magical effect on the people of this island. It made them forget all their worries and duties. They sat lazily on the island, dreaming all day long. What effect did that fruit had on Odysseus' men? That is B. After eating the fruit, Odysseus' men began to feel sleepy. Gradually, they stopped caring about their families and homes and wishing that they could stay back on that island. Fourth one. How did Odysseus rescue his men in the end? Odysseus realized the danger and dragged his men back to help ship. They were unwilling and wept on the way. Once they were on board, Odysseus quickly sailed away. These are the 4 answers which we have written today. Now, coming to B bit. Choose 2 words from the box that mean the same as each of these words from the passage. The options given are keenly, slowly, impatiently, moderately. Keenly means observing it very properly. Slowly, everyone knows that it is very slow. Impatiently, those who don't have any patience, like those who do not wait for anything, just for a single second. Moderately means slowly, step by step you can call them. So here we need to write these words. First one, eagerly. Second one, gradually. Eagerly. The first one, eagerly, means keenly, impatiently. The both means the same. Gradually means slowly, moderately. Now, coming to the grammar bit, that is, rewrite these sentences with the correct articles. First one. I usually have an apple every morning. Articles. What are the articles? A and the are called articles. So here we are learning the proper usage of a, an and the. First one. I usually have a apple every morning. Apple is the word which begins with vowel. We have the 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The 5 vowels. So the vowels should begin if it is in single in nature. If the object is one, then you should write an for the vowels and you should write A for the consonants. So here it is only one apple, so you should write an apple. So you should write the sentence again. I usually have an apple every morning. Second one. Akhil's mother is a English teacher. A. As I told you, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So here the word again begins with vowel, that is E. So we are writing instead of A, an. Akhil's mother is an English teacher. Third one. Look at an oranges on that tree. They are so big. Oranges, more than one orange. So you should not write an. You might be thinking that why I am saying again. This is beginning with vowel, but it is more than one. So you should write the. Look at the oranges on that trees. They are so big. Fourth one. Is this a pencil you borrowed from me yesterday? Not a pencil. Is this the pencil you borrowed from me yesterday? If you are pointing at particular thing, you should write the. Fifth one. Aina is waiting for a raindrop to stop. So you should write Aina is waiting for the rain to stop. Sixth one. Feroz is going to buy an new bag. N. The word begins with consonant. So it should end with A because it is only one bag. So write the sentence as Feroz is going to buy a new bag. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.